What a beautiful day!
Dump truck.
A dump truck carrying cement arrives at the gas station to refuel. Oh no! The gas station has run out of fuel. The dump truck has to leave and deliver its cargo first. Uh-oh, the dump truck runs out of fuel on the road and stops. It can't move anymore.
Oh no, we're out of fuel. Hey, stop.
A pickup truck drives by and the dump truck asks for help.
Please help me. I've run out of fuel. I can't start it. Okay.
The pickup truck happily agrees. It goes to the garage and opens a red door. A yellow surprise egg pops out. The pickup truck takes a hammer and goes knock, knock, knock. The egg breaks open and it's full of parts. Let's build together. First, attach the front. Then add the base.
Wow!
Next, install the oil tank. Finally, put on the wheels. A brand new oil tanker truck is ready.
Please help him. Okay.
The pickup truck tells the tanker truck the dump truck needs fuel.
I'll help you right away.
The tanker truck quickly finds the dump truck and fills it up. Great! The dump truck can move again and continue delivering.
Thank you for your help.
It thanks the tanker truck.
Okay.
Then the tanker truck goes to the gas station and fills up the big storage tank.
Nice!
Now the gas station can work again. Great job, tanker truck. Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. See you next time.